Have you ever struggled to fall asleep, tossing and turning, wishing for a natural remedy to ease you into restful slumber? You're not alone. Quality sleep is essential for our well-being, yet many of us find it elusive. What if I told you that the secret to better sleep might be as simple as a comforting bedtime drink? In this video, we'll explore 7 of the best bedtime drink recipes and uncover the science behind why they can help you sleep better. Let's dive in. 1. Golden milk. First on our list is golden milk, a warm, creamy beverage rooted in Ayurvedic tradition. This drink combines milk with turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties which can promote relaxation. Cinnamon and ginger add warmth and flavor, making this drink a perfect prelude to sleep. Recipe: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric, 1-4 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: warm the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in the turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger until well combined. Remove from heat and stir in the honey or maple syrup. Pour into a mug and enjoy warm. 2. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming effects. This herbal tea contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation and reducing insomnia. Sipping chamomile tea before bed can ease your mind and prepare your body for restful sleep. Recipe: 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon dried chamomile flowers or a chamomile tea bag, honey or lemon to taste, optional. Instructions: steep the chamomile flowers or tea bag in hot water for 5 minutes. Remove the flowers or tea bag. Add honey or lemon if desired. Sip slowly and relax. 3. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is a natural source of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. Studies have shown that consuming tart cherry juice can improve sleep duration and quality. Enjoying a glass before bedtime may help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Recipe: 1 2 cup tart cherry juice, 1 2 cup sparkling water, optional. Instructions: pour tart cherry juice into a glass. Add sparkling water if desired for a fizzy twist. Drink about an hour before bedtime. 4. Sleepy Girl Mocktail. The Sleepy Girl Mocktail has gained popularity as a bedtime beverage. This drink combines tart cherry juice with magnesium powder and a splash of seltzer. Magnesium plays a role in muscle relaxation and nerve function, which can aid in achieving restful sleep. Recipe: 1/2 cup tart cherry juice, 1 tablespoon magnesium powder, 1/2 cup seltzer or lemon lime soda. Instructions: fill a glass with ice. Pour in the tart cherry juice. Dissolve the magnesium powder in the juice. Top off with seltzer or lemon lime soda. Stir gently and enjoy. 5. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, has been used for centuries to reduce stress and anxiety. Drinking lemon balm tea before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, making it a delightful addition to your nighttime routine. Recipe: 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon dried lemon balm leaves or a lemon balm tea bag. Honey to taste, optional. Instructions: steep the lemon balm leaves or tea bag in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Remove the leaves or tea bag. Add honey if desired. Enjoy warm before bedtime. 6. Warm milk with nutmeg. Warm milk has been a traditional sleep aid for generations. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. Adding a pinch of nutmeg enhances the flavor and may further promote relaxation. Recipe: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. A pinch of ground nutmeg, honey to taste, Optional. Instructions. Warm the milk in a saucepan over low heat. Pour into a mug and sprinkle with nutmeg. Add honey if desired. Sip slowly before bed. 7. Kiwi banana smoothie. Smoothie kiwis are rich in serotonin and antioxidants, while bananas provide magnesium and potassium, which help relax muscles. Combining these fruits into a smoothie creates a delicious and nutritious bedtime drink that can enhance sleep quality. Recipe: ripe kiwi, peeled and chopped. Ripe banana, 2-cup yogurt, dairy or plant-based. 4-cup milk, dairy or plant-based. Honey to taste. Optional. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Incorporating these soothing beverages into your nightly routine can create a calming prelude to sleep. Remember, consistency is key. Alongside these drinks, maintaining good sleep hygiene practices will pave the way for restful nights and energized mornings. Sweet dreams.